How to fix WhatsApp iCloud backup stuck on iPhone. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and launch the settings application on your device and tap on your Apple ID on top of your screen. Further, tap on the iCloud option you see there, or you can also tap on the See All option. You will then see the option for Manage Storage. Tap on that and make sure that you will need at least 1 to 5 GB free depending on your WhatsApp data size for WhatsApp data to be stored in your iCloud. If it is full, you can go ahead and delete old backups, photos, or unused app data. Now, go a step back and then tap on the See All option you see there and scroll down and navigate to WhatsApp. Make sure the WhatsApp toggle button is toggled on, and if not, then go ahead and toggle on the toggle button for WhatsApp under iCloud. Also, make sure you are connected to a proper working internet connection, and if not, then you can switch between your mobile network, that is, switch between Wi Fi and mobile data. Also, go back to settings and tap on the battery option there and make sure low battery mode is toggled off, as low battery can freeze backups. Also, go ahead and tap on your Apple ID again and you can try to sign yourself out for the time being and then restart your iPhone and then sign back in, as this will fix syncing issues. You can also go ahead and restart your iPhone, as restarting your iPhone helps in fixing majority of minor issues on your iPhone. Next, launch the settings application on your device and tap on General and then on Software Update. Make sure your iPhone is updated to its latest version for the app to perform smoothly. You can then go ahead and open App Store on your device and tap on the search bar and search for WhatsApp and make sure your WhatsApp application is updated to its latest version. Also, open WhatsApp and then tap on the U option or the settings option on the bottom right of your screen and then tap on the chat option there and then tap on chat backup. Here, make sure that end-to-end encrypted backup is toggled off. So simply tap on the end-to-end encrypted backup option you see there and toggle the toggle button off. So these were a few fixes on how you can fix WhatsApp iCloud backup stuck on iPhone. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.